up as a Hey! Hi, today is the video. No, get out! You're my cousin, right? You grow up. I'm gonna push you up. This is my best friend cousin. This is my best friend cousin. And we are best friends. Oh, just carry me. We're gonna be funny now. Dash. Hey, little rabbit is here. Not you again. Not you again. I can do the banana split. Go away. Split banana. I can do it a little bit. Split banana. Banana. Hey! What is Wait a minute. We need to wake our magician. Sleeping as a hello. Bye. Bro, stop shouting. Lollipop. I'm gonna sleep. Hey! Stop! I was gonna sleep. Okay. Okay, we're eating lollipop. Can I have some lollipops? Lollipop. Now I don't have any lollipop. Only one I said. I don't have any lollipop.
Kamusta na kaya si Tanggol?
Bawal na natin.
Malungkot yun.
Bukas na ang
Wala eh.
Christmas party
Gusto rin ba natin na makirama ito?
For review ha? Na lollipop.
Nakakapagod nito. Kaya magkita sa mga iyo.
Little rabbit.
Hindi pa pipili.
Little rabbit.
Hindi mo kasi gusto.
Bro, I don't have any.
Bababayaan si Tanggol. Siguro kapag may malaking gulo.
Are you gonna do the sweet banana now? I just already finished it.
Hindi na magkakapit.
Oh my.
Kawawa naman.
I'm lollipop.
Bigyan mo siya ng panahon na
Hey, can you do the sweet banana ulit? Because I was private topic, yo. Y'all just stinky feet. Yeah, stinky feet. This is my feet, guys. You're just smelling it. Stinky feet. No, not that feet again. No. Get out.
napakadami na nangyari dito.
Little rabbit. Oh, bro, just do the slip banana now. I just already finished it. Bro, no. Bro, you didn't finish it. You don't see it, okay? Hey, little rabbit, go away. This is a little bit split banana. But how about this one? This. Like tumbling? Yeah, tumbling. Basag. Hey!
Magdidelete ka ng hero. Sino yung hero na i-delete mo?
Yeah!
Kahit wala sa meta. Cancel sa
Yeah! I don't know how to do it.
simulan na ang pag-ukay para sa unang kopsya. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam kung may nangyari
Para
sa
kopsya na may swimming pool at siguradong
I don't know how to do it.
Sumubak na si nanay tsaka si lola. Nasusunod
Sinuot
sila.
kami yan eh. Sinuot na
Dahil
natin
sinaksak
ko.
sila ni Jenna.
Riding a bicycle. No!